continuation of our pathology sessions, and in the breast pathology this is our second session in which we are going to discuss the fibroadenoma, right? So as the name is suggesting, it is a benign breast tumor which composed of fibers obviously, and adeno means gland. And you know from your basic knowledge that glands कैसे बनते हैं, glands बनते हैं from epithelium. Okay, so fibroadenoma or adenofibroma is a benign breast tumor which actually consists of fibers as well as the epithelial elements, right? So if we talk for the etiology कि फाइब्रोएडेनोमा होता क्यों है, सी ऑल दी cancers of breast, right? All the cancers of breast, either it is benign or malignant. We will have a separate session in which we will be discussing the etiology of the cancers, but then for the time being remember that fibroadenoma का एक risk factor है 15 to 30 years of age group females, right? So this is the etiology. Now after etiology we are going to discuss the gross features. Remember in the gross features, remember this diagram. In the breast you can have three types of fibroadenoma. Either it is a fibroadenoma proper, or it is a giant fibroadenoma, or it is a fibroadenomatosis. ठीक है, so fibroadenoma के अंदर you will have solitary, obviously one, discrete, freely movable, and 2 to 4 centimeter nodule. Okay, so what you are going to have in fibroadenoma, it will be solitary, discrete, freely movable, and 2 to 4 centimeter nodule. Okay, it is a solitary, अलग से साइड में पड़ा हुआ है, discrete, freely movable, 2 to 4 centimeter nodule. This is fibroadenoma. Now if it becomes more than 4 centimeter, it becomes giant fibroadenoma. Remember that is also going to be solitary, discrete, freely movable, and more than 4 centimeter. Okay, solitary, discrete, freely movable, and more than 4 centimeter. Fibroadenomatosis, these are not solitary, these are multiple. So these are multiple but discrete, freely movable, and size can be variable, means it can be in between 2 to 4 centimeter or above that. Okay, so these are multiple, discrete, freely movable, and size can be variable. Okay, so this was about the gross idea, but in gross there are two more things which you must remember, that the consistency is going to be firm. Okay, there will be firm consistency. Okay, so if you want to know how firm consistency is, you can touch the tip of your nose. Okay, so once you touch the tip of your nose, that is a firm consistency. Okay, and on the cut section, either it can be uniform tan white color, or it can be punctuated with softer yellow pink specks. Okay, so it can be like, obviously I told you firm consistency, but on cut section either it is white colored or otherwise it is yellow pink. Okay, soft yellow pink होता है. Fine. ग्रॉस में कैसा दिखेगा फर्म कंसिस्टेंसी, सॉरी ग्रॉस में कैसा दिखेगा? फर्स्टली आई टोल्ड यू solitary, discrete, freely movable, 2 to 4 centimeter nodules. Then you will have uniform tan white color, and the pink soft specks will be there. Okay, now fibroadenoma ki microscopy, if you properly see, fibrous means there will be fibrous stroma, and fibrous stroma will be surrounding the proliferating ducts. Okay, so this growth is by two methods. One is the circumferential growth of fibrous tissue around the ducts, and other one is that the fibers are going to compress the ducts, okay, into the elongated cords without a lumen. Okay, remember, I'll tell you this once again. Either it can be a circumferential growth. See, the fibers जो है वो circumferentially grow कर रहे हैं around the ducts, so that is called as pericanalicular pattern. Which pattern? Pericanalicular pattern. But if you see that the fibers are growing, compressing, rather fibers are compressing, ठीक है, compressing the ducts into elongated cords. For example, मैं यहाँ से pressure लगाऊँ, यहाँ से pressure लगाऊँ, तो ये कुछ इस तरीके का दिखेगा. Okay, so compressing the ducts into the elongated cords and the cords are then without lumen. Cords कैसी हो जाती हैं? Cords are without lumen. जब ऐसी बात आने लगेगी, इस तरीके का पिक्चर आपको दिखेगा, then that picture you call it as intracanalicular pattern. Okay, so either it can be pericanalicular or otherwise it can be a intracanalicular pattern. This is about the microscopy. So hence we come on to the end of discussion of fibroadenoma. Thank you for watching.